Hi and welcome back. This is video number 2 in the series of investigating Cisco WAAS Mobile. In the previous video we investigated the benefits of optimized transport using Cisco WAAS Mobile. It's now disabled. I've user disabled it down at the bottom here. It's possible to enable or disable quite easily. What we have at the moment is no optimization. We've got the same files. We have the 4 meg file, the 46 meg file and the 90 meg file. Previously the 4 meg file opened in 5 seconds, the 46 meg file in 32 seconds and the large 90 meg file in 1 minute. Let's investigate these again, unoptimized, standard operating, as it would be without running Cisco WAAS Mobile. So this is the 4 meg file. Last time it downloaded in 5 seconds. $10 longer, so that's 200% more time to download that specific file. Now for a larger file, due to the chatty nature opening, I wouldn't expect the benefit to be as great, but still significantly impressive. Let's just close that down, that file, clear the counter. Now the next one we're going to try is the 46 meg file. That opened in 32 seconds. We'll start that, open the file and see how long this takes. So previously we saw that Cisco WAAS Mobile was caching the data at both ends and only sending the data that needed to be sent, using pattern matching to interoperate between the two systems, so you get a much optimized transport between the two. This is just raw, using the NetBIOS over TCP and standard file transfer. This was 32 seconds last time, we're currently up to 41. No optimization is being performed, no data reduction. So the full budget would be being used on 3G connection over the dongle, or consuming bandwidth on the ADSL connection, which could be used for something else, maybe video or telephony, so freeing up that bandwidth too. Currently over 100% in time difference. So do I need to do anything to my PC with WAAS Mobile? Well, not really. Once you've installed the client, you don't really need to modify anything within the environment on the PC or at the server end. It's fairly straightforward to use. So that was 1 minute 32 compared to 32 seconds, so it's 1 minute longer. It's looking better all the time. Let's just go down and we'll open the final file, which was a 90 meg file. Last time it took 1 minute. Obviously I'll take a few seconds off because of the time between clicking the pause start and the file. So would WAAS Mobile be useful if it was in a corporate environment where you had multiple users on site? Well, typically not as beneficial, because the benefits of a WAAS type environment is seeing data and optimizing data for either one user, but when that data is available to more than one user, and that would be a slightly different device. It would be a networking device either in the router or in line with the router. That would benefit everybody on the site. Everybody who accesses similar data patterns, maybe opening the BBC website or a search for particular data, or opening specific files. It might be company bulletins or shared Excel files or PowerPoint files, or collaboratively working. Any data that is actually transmitted to that site would be optimized for every single user. So the benefits you see here for an individual user working from home or at a railway station, mobile on 3G, that kind of optimization would be performed by the networking device for the wide area network. So two different products. This is the standalone product for teleworkers, and there is networking devices also for sites, WAN optimization sites, and typical networking applications. So previously it was 1 minute to open this file. We're currently running at 1 minute and 47 seconds. Not optimizing anything, using the whole bandwidth. So this is the full 90 meg coming off the bandwidth capabilities of the dongle. Up to 2 minutes now. That's 100%. So this is 100% slower than using WAAS Mobile, and it's costing you more money. So there we go. So concluding, it looks as though once WAAS Mobile is activated, the reductions in traffic are 97% of the data is not sent, with a speed improvement of about 100% based on these tests. Thank you. That concludes video number 2. My name's Mike Dawson.